South Mountain Window Cleaning offers full-service commercial window cleaning all throughout Phoenix, Arizona. Whether it's monthly maintenance, quarterly maintenance, or one-time window cleanings, we have many options to suit your needs. Our window cleaning technicians are trained to be courteous and polite to your clientele and staff, doing things such as opening the door, staying out of your client's way, and saying please and thank you. If you'd like a free estimate for commercial window cleaning, please call 480-519-9327, and we would love to add you to our commercial window cleaning route. Thank you. Have a blessed day.